In today's video, we're going to be replacing our washer hoses. You always want to inspect your washer hoses. When you start to see buildup like you do here, especially here at the bottom as well, you want to go ahead and replace them. What will happen eventually is you don't want to have any issues where the hoses start to leak for any reason. Here are your valves or your stoppers for your angle stops that supply the water to your washer. This hose fills up and holds the water. If for some reason this breaks, you will have a constant flow of water, which will cause a flood to your house or unit. This video is more of a preventive maintenance video, and this is just to show you the importance of replacing your hoses from causing any future issues that would cause major damage to your house or apartment. The first thing you want to do is turn your valves off, and this will remove any water supply to your hoses. If you look here behind the washer, this will be your cold supply and this will be your hot supply. And you can also look here, this is your cold supply and this is your hot supply. We're going to remove our hoses. There may be a little bit of water that's going to pour out because there's going to be water inside of the hose. Once you remove your hoses, we'll go ahead and start removing our hoses here at our valve. Now on my new packaging for my hoses, you can see I have 4 gaskets and 2 of them have filters. The ones with the filters we're going to install here at our water inlet valves. Just take a screwdriver, kind of pull it out, and what it does is it basically just traps all of the sediment that comes into the washer to protect the components. This is going to be our hot hose. I already put my filter inside, and it's going to be facing this way so that when I put it inside, it'll catch all of the sediment inside of the net. A lot of these newer hoses will actually say hot and cold depending on which supply line goes where, or you'll see at the end, here at the end right where the water inlet is, it'll have either a red or blue coating so that you can distinguish between the two. When you're tightening it, you don't have to over torque it. Now where the water valve goes in, you'll want to go ahead and put your washer. Go ahead and tighten your connection. If you forget to put that washer, what'll happen is you'll have leakage here at the bottom when you turn your water on. And the same thing with our cold supply. Putting our washer into the hose. Tighten your connections. Now we're going to turn our supply back on. We're going to turn on our washer, just check for leaks. You see I have it on the cold setting. And now I'll put it on the hot setting. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.